Hey there, fellow bakers! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious chocolate cake recipe, right in the comfort of our own homes. So, let's get started. Chocolate cake is a classic dessert that's loved by people of all ages. It's rich, moist, and simply irresistible. And the best part? You can make it right at home, using simple ingredients you might already have in your pantry. For this recipe, you'll need -1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, -1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of water, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the sugar and oil until well combined. Add the water, eggs, and vanilla extract, and mix until smooth. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and mix until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for about 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And there you have it, a delicious home-made chocolate cake. Serve it warm with a scoop of ice cream or let it cool completely and enjoy it as is. Thanks for joining me in this baking adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty treats. Happy baking!